Welcome back to MVP Auto. Today, you're about to witness something truly extraordinary. This is not your average Toyota Highlander. This is the future of SUVs, bold, aggressive, and dripping with attitude. A complete reimagination of what the Highlander could be if Toyota decided to throw away the rulebook and go all in on design, power, and presence. Just look at it. Right off the bat, that front end grabs your attention and doesn't let go. The grille, massive, vertical, and unapologetic. The LED headlights razor-sharp, slicing through the air like precision blades. And the hood, sculpted to perfection. Every line, every crease, is there for a reason. It's not just design, it's a statement. Moving to the side profile, this isn't the soft, family-friendly Highlander we've seen in the past. This one is wide, low, and ready to pounce. Blacked out, aerodynamic wheels wrapped in performance tires hug the fenders tightly. The flared arches give it that muscular stance, and the side skirts flow cleanly into the rear. It's sleek, it's sinister, and it's stunning. The color is another standout. A deep metallic bronze black that plays with the light in every angle. Under the sun, it glows. Under the shadows, it looks like a stealth machine. The gloss finish reflects the world around it like a mirror, adding even more depth to the overall aesthetic. As we move to the rear, the aggression doesn't stop. A sharply angled tailgate, bold diffuser, integrated exhausts, and taillights that echo the same razor-sharp design language from the front. Everything is symmetrical, balanced, yet brutal. This Highlander concept is the perfect example of what happens when you combine bold design with refined execution. It's like a samurai in a tailored suit, powerful, precise, and absolutely fearless. Now, let's be clear, this is not an official Toyota concept. It's an artistic vision. A look into what could be, if design were pushed to its limits and the Highlander was built with pure emotion in mind. A version for enthusiasts who want more than just practicality. They want presence. They want drama. And this delivers. From the smallest vent to the largest body panel, there's intention. The contrast between matte blacks and high-gloss finishes adds depth. The attention to detail is insane. Just look at those splitters, those intakes, those blacked-out mirror caps. Every piece contributes to a unified theme, futuristic domination. And yet, it still carries the spirit of the Highlander. You can tell it's part of the Toyota DNA, just evolved into something more powerful, more modern, and far more expressive. A beast in a designer coat. Imagine pulling up to a car meet in this. Eyes will follow. Phones will come out. People will ask, is that the new Highlander? And all you'll do is smile. This is the kind of SUV that breaks necks and turns skeptics into believers. Whether you're a hardcore car enthusiast or someone who just appreciates great design,